already primed my face, guys, and I did use this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is in a rose water. So let's move on to foundation. I will be using this Revlon Colorstay 24-hour foundation. So this is what it looks like. And I'm in a shade Golden Caramel. To apply this foundation, I will be using this sponge. This is from Real Techniques. There we go. Then for concealer, I will be using the same brand. This is also from Revlon, and this is the Revlon Colorstay Concealer. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to apply it on the center of my face. Then to blend the concealer, I will be using this same sponge that I use for my foundation. Then next, to set my concealer, I will be using this one. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo Contouring Palette. So this is what it looks like. This is in a shade Caramel Toffee. So I'm taking this one, this banana shade, and set my concealer. Then to set the rest of my face, I will be using this Maybelline, the Matte Maker Mattifying Powder. This is what it looks like. Then next, I'm going to do my eyebrow off camera, and I'll be back. There we go, guys. I'm done with my eyebrows. The product that I use for my eyebrows. This is the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. So let me show you what it looks like. So here we go. Then next, let's apply some eyeshadows. The palette that I'm going to use today is this one. So you can see, this is the Makeup Revolution I Heart Makeup Naked Chocolate Palette. So this is what the packaging looks like, and when you open it up, there we go, that's what it looks like. So first I will be taking this shade right here, this one to warm up my crease. Okay, so next shade will be this one right here. And I'm going to put it on my outer corner. There you go. And then I'm going to grab a blending brush, clean blending brush, and I'm going to blend it on my crease. There we go. Then next shade, I'm going to take this one up here. Don't know if you can see, but this one up here, and I'm going to put it on my eyelids. There we go. Then I'm going back with this shade right here, and I'm going to place it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this shade right here, this one up here, and I'm going to put it on my brow bone. There we go. Then I'm done with my eye makeup. Then next, I'm going to use this LA Girl gel liner. This is in a shade brown. So I'm going to create a classic liner. There you go. Then I'm going to apply mascara. And I will be using this one. This is from Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Alright, then next I'm going to apply my false lashes and I'll be back. There you go guys, my lashes are up. So next, to finish this eye look, I will be applying this brown gel liner pencil. This is from NYX and this is the NYX Trust Jolie gel pencil. This is in a shade brown, by the way. So I'm going to apply it on my waterline. There we go. Then next, I'm going to apply contour. Then I'm going back to this palette from Wet n Wild, and I will be using the contour shade, this one. Next, I'm going to apply some blush. I will be using this Sleek blush by Free, and this is in the shade Lace. So this is what the blushes looks like. And I'm going to take this one right here, this one, and apply it on my cheeks. There we go. Then for the highlights, I will be using this one. This is from LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it up, looks a little bit powdery, but I promise you this is actually nice highlighter. I'm going to apply this highlighter also on my teardrops. Whoa. Okay, next let's apply some liquid lipstick, and I will be using this Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Hypno. There you go guys, we are done with our looks. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also all the products that I use will be in the description box below. Please go ahead and check that out. And yeah, hope to see you in my next video. Bye!